So hey, hello, what's up guys, welcome to my new vlog. So it's been a very long since I have not uploaded any vlog. So today we are beginning with the first monsoon trek which is in Nashik. So see you all at the station. Here I have packed all the bags and all my luggage is ready. So let's begin our journey. So guys, we have left and here are all my friends who have come to drop me at the station. As you all can see, this is the main guy over here. Bye. Bikaji waiting for us, and this is the railway station, Tivim railway station over here. Satyavan has come and we all are waiting over here for our fourth partner. So guys, now we are waiting for the train. The train is on time and it has left Madgaon station and will be coming soon.
04 Madgaon Nagpur Express has arrived on platform number 1.
We were eagerly waiting for the train to come over here and the train has arrived. Let's go. So guys, our compartment is S11 and we are going inside.
So we have finally boarded the train and we are settling down now. We have kept our bags.
The train has also started.
1 hour delay.
But there is 1 hour delay, so let's play some Uno. So guys, now we are having our dinner in the train. As you all can see, Bikaji is serving nice and hot pulao. He brought
With pickle.
with pickle.
So good morning guys. So it's 8 o'clock in the morning.
So guys, all these folks are sitting over here. And this one is doing something outside.
Greenery.
View outside.
Greenery.
As you all can see the view outside. Now we have crossed Kalyan station. Now directly the train will be stopping at Igatpuri station. The mandatory thing to have in the train is my favorite, as you can see, vada pav. My favorite weather, guys. We have reached at Igatpuri station. Let's go. So now guys, now we'll have something over here and we'll be going to a village which is called as the Pasnai village, which is the start point of our Harishchandra Gad trek. Guys, the view is making us more curious. So guys, now we have come at the Igatpuri station waiting room. Now we'll change over here and we'll leave for Pasnai village. Guys, we have changed now.
Now we have left from Igatpuri railway station. Base village is called Pachnai. So to reach Pachnai, we have to go from Igatpuri to Goti to Rajur to Pachnai. So it is around 100 kilometers from Igatpuri. Okay. Now we are in the rickshaw heading towards Goti.
So guys, now we have reached at Goti. This is the Goti market, as you all can see over here. Now we'll buy our required items which we require on the top for cooking and all. Some veggies, some fruits and all. And then we'll go to Rajur. So guys, now we are getting into the bus. As you all can see over here, so much crowd. Bikaji over here.
We are heading to Rajur.
Let's go to Rajur.
In the iconic Lalpuri.
Lalpuri, as you all can see. Guys, the view outside. Wonderful. We are still in the bus. We have traveled almost 50 kilometers and more to go. going to Pasnai village. We have got a taxi over here, as you all can see. Finally guys, after so much of traveling, we have reached the base village, which is Pasnai village, and we are totally tired. Let's go guys. There is the entry gate over there. This is the entrance gate guys. Let's start the trek. Let's go. Guys, we are climbing up now. Very tired guys. To have a little break and enjoying the beautiful waterfall view.
That is the point we want to go.
Yes, let's go.
Behind this mountain there is the majestic Kokankada.
Let's conquer Harishchandragarh guys. Come on guys. Guys, now we get to see the staircase over here. Come on. Guys, the breeze is amazing guys. And the breeze. Guys, while going up, you can see carving on a stone, beautiful artwork, and these backwaters. Guys, there is no rain. Heaven on earth guys, heaven on earth. There is a small crab over here, as you can see. So guys, this is one of the best trek, monsoon trek. This is the waterfall, water coming from the top, as you all can see over there.
All mates are currently climbing Harishchandragarh, which is in Ahilyanagar, next to Nashik in Maharashtra.
This is the life we will remember. Found a bridge over here, and there is like a river crossing, but not much water around. This is the way to Harichandreshwar Mandir or temple. The time is almost 6:30. Guys, this is a dense forest, as you all can see around. Guys, as we are going higher and higher, there is more fog around us. And see, we cannot see anything down there. Everything is covered in fog.
So guys, more 15 minutes to go and we are going to reach the top of Harishchandragarh. Yes.
As you all can see over here, there are arrows shown. We are at the top now.
We are just randomly walking towards where the route takes us.
Temple and my travel buddy together. Let's go, buddy. See the tree, guys. Wonderful. We have reached at the temple. There is the temple.
First we'll visit this temple, we'll take darshan and we'll search for cave wherein we will be attained there. Yes.
Very cold. Now we are entering the temple. Beautiful architecture, guys. Guys, after entering the temple, there is a shivling over here. Tarakumai caves.
Okay, and in this cave there are various other deities which are there. Okay.
The cave over there. You can see this is the shivling, and these are the pillars.
So Satyug, Treta Yuga, Dwapar Yuga, and
Kali Yuga.
This is the mythology behind this.
We are going to stay here overnight.
After visiting the temple, we have explored a little bit and we have decided not to pitch our tent in some remote area.
Do watch the time lapse which I'll be posting after this clip.
Yes.
Okay.
We have set up the whole tent. We have set up the lights here. Advantages of being a electronic student. It's very windy here. Okay, so for that reason, what we are going to do is we are at all four corners. We are going to put four bags. We have set our things here. Middle, we are setting up our kitchen now. Okay, outside it is very windy, so we couldn't set up anything. To refresh ourselves is warm water. We are going to boil water here. Okay, this is the stove, camping stove.
So guys, here all the veggies are out.
We are going to cook batataji kapa and we have slice with that. Okay, and we have salad. That's it, short and simple. Let me show you. Veggies, potato, coriander, and this is the waste. We're making tawa bhaji. All the mixed veggies, whatever we have, we are making that. Now we are doing bread. We are toasting it a little bit so we eat kind of fresh. And this we got from the nearby kaka, who was, we are paying around 30 rupees for each of these. So yeah, worth it. We'll eat it with the bhaji.
Time is 10:30 and the food is ready. As you all can see, this is batat kapa, this is mixed bhaji, this is salad, this is bread, and this is bhakri.
And you put little of this, you put little of this bhaji.
So good morning guys, it's 6 o'clock in the morning. We have woke up. So you can see over here Bikaji.
The rain was so much, you can see it is all wet from, see, and somehow we survived.
Let's go outside. And it's freezing temperature over here.
Early morning visit. It's all windy, it's raining, and we are shivering with the cold.
We thought we could see something today morning, but it's the same weather as yesterday, so I can't help. Here there is all water, as you all can see, full covered with water. So guys, now we have come outside. As you all can see, all are wet, but the darshan was really satisfying.
A very good morning all. It's 7:30 in the morning. Now we have come back, we have changed, and we are making coffee. Okay, coffee. Yes, here. Milk powder, sugar, and we have the coffee powder. Brew.
So guys, the coffee is ready over here.
Done with the coffee. Now it's time for breakfast, and for breakfast we have Maggi. Okay, we're going to boil the water first, and
We have added the masala, guys. Let's make Maggi. Cook is serving us, Master Bikaji. Oh, wonderful guy. Ooh, let's have the Maggi. He is folding the tent. Oh yeah, and now we are leaving from this place. Now guys, we have packed up everything. We have kept our bags over here, and we are just now trying to explore more places over here. So guys, we are heading towards Kokankada. As you all can see, here it is marked Kokankada. So guys, let's go. Let's go boys. We are almost. So guys, currently the live update is that we are lost because there is no map, nothing, no network, zero visibility. Going through dense trees and forest. Ooh. Guys, now we are on the correct track to Kokan Kada. As you all can see, there is a way going. We have reached the Kokan Kada, but you all will not be able to see anything. Even I can't see anything because it's too misty, too cloudy. No view. We are unlucky, guys. Yes, bro. Oh! So guys, finally we are at the Kokan Kada. Because he's doing something. He was, oh shit, failed. Now these guys are trying to push the stone over there. जोर लगा के. Guys, as you all can see over there,
Reverse waterfall.
reverse waterfall. What is going reverse? Now guys, we are heading down from the Kokan Kada. Beyond the mist, as you all can see, wonderful view. There is a temple. You can see over there. Now we were there for some time. There we had to camp our tent. So guys, as you all can see, today is Saturday, and the crowd over here. See guys, so many people because it's weekend. We had come yesterday, so we could witness everything. So guys, now we are heading towards the caves. We found the caves over here. As you all can see, last we found the caves. As you all can see, a wonderful view. So guys, now we are heading down to the trek. Guys, you can see wind speed over there because it's flying. Guys, see the view down there. So guys, we are going to this. While coming, we couldn't see such a view because it was already too late. While going down, we found a snake over here, as you can see. It's the view. As you can see. That's the view, guys. Wonderful. Super view, guys. We're almost at the bottom. We'll be reaching after some time. So guys, now you all can see a waterfall behind me. That was the starting waterfall which we had found. Now let's go.
So finally, we have completed the Harishchandragarh trek. We have stopped at the base village for a small refreshment. This is kind of a reward for us for completing this trek. It was superb. The experience was amazing. We'll cherish these memories in future for sure. Yes.
Few steps to end this Harishchandra trek. As you can see, let's take reviews. Satyavan, how was your trek?
So it was a wonderful experience. Your wind and climate was very wonderful. So it was an amazing experience for me.
I've captured many memories, unforgettable memories.
So with this, we officially end our Harishchandragarh trek. Thank you very much for watching this video diary. Hoping to see you guys in the next video.
Finally guys, going home.